Welcome back to Manor and Maker and a shot of the Chateau way back in 2023. Last week you saw us doing a bit of this to get ready for a bit of this, and now you get to see the glow up. But first, a little rain. Before we can get on with the rest of the work, and you saw all the lovely work that we did last week prepping the space, we've got a rain day happening. Can you believe it? It's actually kind of come at a good time. I'm waiting on a few things for the retreats to get set up, and we're waiting on a gravel delivery. So I think this is a perfect time to unwind and relax a little bit, and you know what that means for me. A little bit of sewing, yay! I've been making some box bags for the shop, but today I'm going to tackle something that's weirdly been like a blocker for me. I know I make costumes and things like that, but for some reason making handbags has always felt a little intimidating because of the fine detail of the stitching, right? So it's something that you kind of put right in front of people and they see it, and I'm just afraid that at that small of a detail I'm going to get something wrong, because as we all know, I'm enthusiastic about sewing, but I'm not a pro. So I've looked up on Craftsy, I've looked up a course that I think teaches me what I want to know. I'm going to make a divider tote, and it's going to be my handbag for the fall. Our lovely fairy godmother has gifted us some fabric, which I think is gorgeous, and so I'm going to combine that with stuff I already had, and a couple of colorful zippers. I haven't decided which color yet. You can tell me whether I'm right or wrong in the comments. And let's build a divider bag. Thank you to Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. Craftsy is your online resource for all things creative. I'm interested in learning crochet for the guests coming next year. There are some really cute fall crafts. And maybe this bagel making course will cure what ails me, because I'm 0 for 6 since my success last December. What keeps me coming back is that they're always creating new classes to keep you inspired. The instructors are incredibly talented, but also super friendly. My instructor made it feel really easy to figure out where to add in some extra details if I want to on my next project. They walk you through each technique step by step, so even if you're a total beginner, you never feel lost. Plus, as a member, you can connect with other makers in the community who are just as passionate about creating as you are. So whether you're looking to learn something completely new or level up the skills you already have, Craftsy makes it so accessible. Go to the link in the description and get the first full year of Craftsy Premium for only $1.49. The offer is valid for new members only. That was like a lovely guided sewing session. It's absolutely the cutest usable bag right now. So pretty. Chateau, it's gonna be so pretty.
It's gonna look great. I mean, it's a great color too. It really matches nicely. It'll blend really well.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, that's a lot of work. But it's good. No, it's another 2 loads to come, I think, and then hopefully we'll have a new driveway.
Amazing.
So we're just getting started. Just wanted to see what it's like to pull it out, and already going to be a beautiful look. last load of the day. Last load of the whole thing, I hope. Should be plenty of stone now to cover the whole thing.
I see that you're working away on distributing that gravel, but I think we all know you're not wearing the appropriate attire, honey.
Not the right safety gear? Is that what you're saying? All right, let's do it.
Well, that's more like it. I think we all know that is appropriate gravel raking attire, or at least...
No, it's not pink.
It's true. There's not a lot of chiffon in there. I'm not sure that's really your look, but...
Oh well. Lots of freedom in the arms.
I don't know where everyone else went though. Where's Dan and Stephanie and everyone when you need them? Come on. I mean, this is payback time.
Yeah, no kidding.
Right?
I guess we could have asked.
We could have asked. That might have helped them get here on time. Yeah. No, this is, for those who don't know, this is a throwback to when Steve helped Stephanie distribute the gravel around her courtyard, and Dan threatened everyone under I don't know what penalty, but if they weren't out there ready to go, even in their bathrobes at 10 a.m.
Well, he told us basically if that the shipment of stone was coming at 10 a.m. and he expected everybody down there, didn't matter whether they were in their pajamas or not. He wanted them downstairs. So we made the joke and all went into the house halfway through the distribution, changed into our
appropriate attire,
and then did a little dance number, if I remember correctly.
Oh, I'm not stopping you.
Yeah, I'm not doing a dance number on my own.
Okay.
You need the whole crew for that one. But
well, there you go. Appropriate.
4 years. Almost 4 years to the day, which is really kind of funny.
That's wild.
That, yeah, since I did this last time.
Yep. Good job, honey.
All right.
We're continuing the outdoor works, and I asked Steve to do some clearing here first before he gets on the mowing, and I look over and all I see is your head just popping above this giant pile of branches. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I took down a couple of trees that were getting a little invasive.
Yeah.
One that was already dead, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you can see it was quite possibly getting dangerous. We don't want that dropping on guests, right?
Yeah, I mean, fortunately it was just a small bit that was really rotten. The other bit was fine, but yeah, cleared out that area quite a bit. You can see the tower really clearly now.
Yeah. Looks like I've got my work cut out for me next. Clear that up, make it look even more aesthetic. Well, that's a big chunk of work done. Yes, we cut the ivy, don't worry. And I think we'll get some mulch down to cover up those bulb patches now, but it's an improvement from where it was.
Whew, well, that was a lot of work.
We did it. It looks so good. I'm so happy.
Happy? I am happy. It's such a transformation. I mean, honestly, like what a difference to the curb appeal of the chateau, and yeah, it just has completely transformed the face. So very happy with the way that turned out.
That's pretty amazing. Sort of leads into the question of why we're doing it. Now, the members know, but we're leading up to some more big announcements because we've still got 3 retreats left. And normally we try not to do DIY during the retreat session because obviously it wants to come to a place under renovations. Yeah. So obviously the glow up is delightful, but we don't generally take those risks. So the question is, why?
There is a plan. Stay tuned to find out.
Yep.
But it's, believe me, all will be revealed hopefully in the next little while. So
exactly.
Yeah.
To that end, our schedules are not really going to be on schedule for the next few weeks because we've got the 3 retreats coming up and we're not going to put that stress on ourselves to try to meet the Tuesday schedule with everything else that's going on. So if you want to find the video, you will have to you don't have to subscribe.
No,
if you want to find the video, you will be notified if you subscribe and hit that notification button.
Just to tease for next year, we're already working on all sorts of amazing events for next year. Lots of retreats and stuff happening.
Anyways, we hope you enjoyed this glow up. Everyone have a marvelous week.
Yep, enjoy. And we will see you next week.
Ish.
Thanks, everybody. I love you guys.
Bye.